Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss various levels of examination, especially at the moment, at present, objective type, that is JEE Mains and the MSET. Today's session very interesting for topic, very important topic I'm going to deal. That is very important for MSET point of view. I'm discussing here. From that topic, 3 to 4 questions will come in MSET. Okay, what is the topic? Without delay, let's get start. Come on, we will enjoy with this topic with the super tips and tricks. Okay, what is the topic is? Integration. Best tricks. Integration. Integration is very simple and very interesting topic. From this one, we can get easily 3 to 4 questions. Right? Now, in this one, first I'm discussing about the integration by parts. You know very well integration by parts. When we can use the integration by parts to find out integral product of two functions. To find out integral product of two functions, we can use a by parts. Like integral of uv, where u and v are two different functions. To find out the integral of that one, we can use a by parts. You know general formula of by parts, that one you know well, but I'm not using. That is very simple trick I'm using. What is that? Look at here. Integral of uv, where u is the first function and v is second function. You know that clearly. Now uv, we can write u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3 minus and so on. We can use alternative plus or minus. Here u is first function, u dash is the derivative of that function, u double dash is the derivative of second derivative of that function, and so on. Indirectly, u dash, u double dash, u triple dash are successive derivatives. And we can come to this symbol v1, v2, v3 and so on. v1, v2, v3 and so on. Nothing but successive integrations of v. Okay, if you know the integrations and derivatives, that's enough for this formation. Is it clear? Now, how we can use that is for questions, especially this tip we can use when the first function is algebraic function. Algebraic function means a function is in the form of x square, x cube and so on. That is called as algebraic function. In that case, compulsory we can use that tip. Within one step we can get the solution. How it is? Look at here. Now come to the question number 1. Integral of x cube of e power x dx is asking. To find out this one, we can think this is u, this is a v, uv. What is the formation? U into, u means what? X cube into v1. v1 means integral of v. What is integral of v? v here, e power x. Integral of e power x is e power x only. You know very well. I can use a minus. Now what is a u dash? X cube derivative. That is 3x square into again e power x integral is e power x with next plus. Now we can take this derivative. What is 3x square derivative? X square derivative is 2x into 3, 6x with the 6x. Again e power x integral is e power x with the next minus 6x derivative. 6x derivative is 6. E power x integral is e power x plus c. That is c is nothing but integral constant. You know very well. Till here only you can take. Because after that, what happens? Derivative of 6 constant is 0. Remaining terms become 0. Till here you can expand this integration. So what is the evaluation of this integration? Using by parts in that short trick. That's it. Only one step is enough to get the solution. Maybe in the options we may take the common e power x, something is common. According to the options, we can rewrite this is. Okay. Here I didn't give the options. You know, in the examination we will give the options. Is it clear? What is the by parts in a short trick? You have to know first. Now, easily we can move to the next question. What is, look at the next question. Integral of x square of a power x. Here this is u, this is v. What is according to that formula? U into x square into. What is a power x integral? A power x integral is a power x by log a. You know very well. That is a power x by log a with minus. Now x square derivative 2x Again this integral, that is V2, successive integrations. A power x integral is a power x by log a into log a whole square. We know log you can write ln also. Next, what is next step? Plus 2x derivative is 2. Again this integral, a power x by log a whole square into log a whole cube. That's it. Within one step we can get the solution. Is it clear? So very simple. Try to understand what is the tip. According to that tip, we can find out the integration. Look at the next question. This is given at EAMCET 2015. Here also, integral of x power 4 e power 2x is given. In place of u x power 4, v e power 2x. As usual, according to that formula, u x power 4 into e power 2x integral e power 2x by 2 s minus, e bar x integral, that only used here. Next, x power 4 derivative 4x cube of e power 2x integral e power 2x by 2 into 2 4 plus, again next 4x cube derivative 4 into 3x square, that is 12x square of e power 2x integral e power 2x by 2 2 into 4 8. What is next? Plus 24x of e power 2x by, right, 8 into 2 16. Now finally what is next step? Minus 24x derivative is 24 into e power 2x by 32. Plus c, no need to use, already in the option C will go. From here onwards I am not writing the c, just you have to know what is the function. This is simply by using the by parts, that super trick, right? It is given EAMCET 2015. Now look at the next question. As fourth question given, integral of x cube e power 5x is given as e power 5x by pi power 4 of f of x plus c. Says that is integral constant well. Now he is asking this fx function. This is I am not doing. This is I will give to you for your work. Try to do. You can mention your answer in the comment box. Definitely I will check it. What is your answer, correct or not? You have to do yourself. What is there here? Same way. In place of x power 4, x power 3 is there. E power 2x, e power 5x is there. He is given that answer in place of fx. He has taken e power 5x by pi power 4 is common. Like suppose something is common here. Like that you can take the common. After taking the common, you can get the fx function is what? That is, you can do yourself. It is given in EAMCET 2016. These 4 questions simply I did by using the by part short trick. Clear? Now, so we will move some more models. We will discuss some more models. Those are also mostly helpful to you. Look at what are those. Look at the next questions. These questions are depends on simple tip. This is very, very important. These questions also, what is this tip? Easily you can remember like this. If we do the integral of like a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. What is this? Is integral of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. Simply you should remember a of log of denominator plus bx. This is integral constant, you know very well. Here mainly you have to consider AB. A is a simply, what is the value of A? AD minus BC by C square plus D square. You know what are the A, B, C, D? How to recognize first? A, B, C, D are quotients of sine, cos sine in the numerator as well as a cos sine in the denominator respectively. A, B, C, D are quotients of cos sine in the numerator and denominator respectively. Now you can find out the A value by using the AD minus BC by C square plus D square. B value AC plus, we can remember like this, AD minus BC by C square plus D square. B simply can remember A into C like this, AC plus BD by C square plus D square. He may ask the integration, maybe he may ask the AB value, sum product, anything he may ask from this question. This how can you use for these questions, you can look at here. Are you ready? Right, very good. Now we'll come to this question. Here you have to concentrate, first you can concentrate cos sine order is there or not. Otherwise you have to interchange the order. We can rewrite the order, then only we can use that tick, right? Now here it is clearly in this order only. What are the A, B, C here? A is 2, B is a 3, C is a 3, D is a 4. A, B, C, D. What is answer according to that one? A into A means AD minus BC. AD 2 4 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 minus 1. Minus 1 by C square plus D square. 3 square 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Right. Into log of denominator. Denominator is what? 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Is it clear? Right. Plus what is next term? Bx. What is a B? AC plus BD by C square plus D square. AC like 2 3 6 plus BD 3 4 12 6 plus 12 18. 18 by C square plus D square is same here we got 25 with x plus C, that is integral constant. That's it. Only one step. You have to know what are the ABCDs first. If you know ABCDs, we can substitute this integration easily. You have to remember that tip. Is it clear? Now, come to the next question. Look at here. What is the difference between here and here? Here 2 cos x 3 sin x plus something is not there, but here some constant is there. Here 7, here 1. No need to worry about that one. First, what is the given question? You can concentrate. It is a cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1. Integration is given as a log of denominator. This is given plus bx plus 5 of log of 1 plus tan x by 2. He is asking sum of AB. To find out AB, how to concentrate these 4 terms only. A plus B. What is A again? A is AD minus BC by C square plus D square. A plus B, AD 1 into 1, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2 by C square plus D square, 1 plus 1, 2, right, with the plus. B, AC plus BD, AC is 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 into 1 is 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2, this is C square plus D square is 2, this is minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 is clearly 1, this is only our required sum of AB. That's it. So, very, very simple. Just you have to concentrate on that tip. I will give to you one question for your work. You can try to do. What is that? This is clear, shall I? Now, I am using this is removing it. So, this is work for you. Integral of sin x plus cos x by cos x minus 3 sin x dx is given as some a into log of mod cos x minus 3 sin x plus bx plus c. Then find a into b. This is a question for you. So you can find out a into b value. What is that result? Mention in the comment box. It is correct or not, I will check. Just you have to concentrate what are the a, b. You can use that tip. It is clearly helpful to you. Is it clear? So I hope so. You can do it. Compulsory you can try. So definitely you can get it. There is no difficult at all. First you have to think about the order, correct order is there or not. If it is not there, what is the changes you have to do? You can proceed. Now we can come to some more questions, some more models. Are you ready? Look at for next model. In this model, we will do the function like this. Integral of e power x of sin bx. If you ask, here e power x exponential function, sin function. In bx plus c something will be there. Even though you should remember e power x sin bx easily. E power x as it is here, a square plus b square of e power x by a square plus b square of a into, for sine function you can write a into sine of the same ratio what is there, that one, with minus b of cos. That's simple, you have to remember. E power x of sine bx is what? E power x by a square plus b square of a sine bx minus b cos bx. Same way we can use for cos. In place of sine there will be cos. What is difference between here and here? E power x by a square plus b square is as it is. And here a cos plus, here instead of minus you can use a plus, but here cos comes first, then sin. A cos bx plus b sin bx. That is only simple tip for e power x sin bx as well as e power x cos bx. So in place of ab you may go the any real number. So how can you use that? We can look at these questions. What is question number 7? E power 3x sin 5x is asked. Here in place of a, what is there? A is a 3, b is a 5. According to this formula sign, e power x means what? E power 3x by a square plus b square, 3 square 9 plus 5 square 25. 9 plus 25 is 34, right? Of, I given what that? A sin minus b cos. A means 3 sin function sin of 5x minus b, b is 5 of cos function cos of 5x. That's it. Only fraction of seconds you can get it. But you have to know that tip first of all. Is it clear? Now, look at the next question. What is that? Here given in terms of cos. Here what is A? A is a minus 5, B is a 12. According to this formation, what is this? This is as it is e power minus 5x by a square plus b square. Minus 5 whole square is 25. 12 square is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169 of a minus 5 of cos function cos of 12x with the plus sign. B is what? 12. Sin function is sin of 12x. That's it. You know what are the tips and tricks to do the number of questions easily? You have to follow the tips and tricks. You can do the questions by using tips and tricks. Then only you can know. Save the time, you can focus more number of questions. You know, MSET point of view, if from maths 80 bits will give. Within short time you can focus more number of questions. That is only possible if you know the tips and tricks. Is it clear? You should try to apply the tips and tricks. Then only you can get the more number of questions within fraction of seconds. Integration is the most important topic. From this one, 3 to 4 questions definitely can get. There is no difficult at all, but you have to follow what are the methods, models, tips and tricks. Is it clear? Now, are you ready to focus some more models? Yes, let's get started. We can concentrate here. A function is in the form of integral of e power x of f of x plus f dash x. Integral of the function e power x of f of x plus f dash x. What is that? E power x fx. This is simply integration constant. No need to worry about that c. So when we can use this function, a function is in the form of e power x of fx, some function is there and its derivative is here. Simply we can write e power x of original function is what? Okay, but here you have to consider what is the function, what is its derivative, you have to recognize. It must be in the form of e power x in place of x. Maybe you can change a variable, any variable, but you have to remember what is the formation this is. Clear? Now, how it is, we will see. This is most important, you know, from board examination point of view, most of them are know about this tip. Okay, you will see how it is. We can come to this question. Integral of x e power x by x plus 1 whole square is given. This is not directly in this form. This one you can reduce in that form to make some adjustments. What are those adjustments? First you can consider the denominator. What is denominator here? X plus 1 whole square. Numerator e power x is as it is, right? E power x of x plus 1 whole square is there in the denominator. X plus 1 whole square you can read it as it is. What will be left over in numerator? X. X we can write adding 1, subtracting 1 to reduce into this form, right? Integration part you can write, integration symbol you can write. I'm not writing. Now by the separation of this is e power x, x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square becomes 1 by x plus 1 with minus 1 by x plus 1 minus I'm writing minus plus of minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square you can write. Now it is directly in the form of now. What is this form? E power x of 1 by x plus 1 derivative is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, you know very well. So what is fx here? Fx is 1 by x plus 1. What is the derivative? Minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Therefore, according to that formula, what is the answer? E power x of fx. Fx is what here? 1 by x plus 1 is nothing but divided by x plus 1. That's it. This is simply you can use that one, but you have to reduce in that form. Is it clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubts, you can make into the comment section. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. Right, come to the next question. This is the same as this one. What is here and there? Function will be varied as e power x as it is. What I said to reduce into that form? X plus 6 whole cube is there in the denominator, x plus 6 is there, but here x plus 4 is there. X plus 4, how can you write in terms of x plus 6? That is x plus 6 with minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 clearly by x plus 6 whole cube. Right, now make the separation. E power x of x plus 6 by x plus 6 whole cube is 1 by x plus 6 whole square. With minus 2 by, I am writing plus of minus 2 by x plus 6 whole cube. Right? Now, what is this form? Tell me. E power x of f of x plus f dash x. What is a 1 by x plus 6 whole square derivative? We can, you know already, but I am writing here d by dx of 1 by x plus 6 whole square, you can write x plus 6 whole power minus 2. It is in the form of x power n. What is x power n derivative? N into x power n minus 1. In place of n, what is there? Minus 2. Minus 2 of x plus 6 whole power. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. It's simply minus 2 by x plus 6 whole cube. Now, what is fx here? This is fx. This is a f dash x. Right? Now, what is final answer? E power x fx is e power x by x plus 6 whole square. That's it. I said I am not adding the c. C is integral constant, you know very well. So, this is e power x by x plus 6 whole square is final answer for this bit. Is it clear? It's very, very simple. Just you have to concentrate what this form. Okay. I will go 1 or 2 questions. Are you ready to do it? Yes, compulsory should you involve. If you involve, then only you can follow the tips and tricks. Without doing anything, you can't get a single tip. Okay. So, is it clear? It's very, very simple. Now, we'll come to I will do some question to you. We can do it. Shall I? Right. One question I will go to you. At least one question I'm giving. Then you can get the clear idea. Okay. Try to do this one. Integral of e power x of x plus 3 by x plus 4 whole square dx. Try to do. How can you do it? You can get clear idea. What is the answer for this one? You can mention the comment section. Same model, I will do some more questions. So, sometimes you may not give the directly like this. You have to reduce like previous questions, what you have to what you did for the previous question, same way. One more question I'm going to do. What is that? We'll see now. E power x of, I think so question number 11 or 12. E power x of 2 plus sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. If given question is like this, what you can do for this one? Is it in that form directly? No, it's not in that form directly. You have to do something to reduce into that form. Simply you know that clearly. E power x as it is 2 plus sine 2x formula. You know sine 2a formula. 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2x we can write 2 sine x cos x upon 1 plus cos 2x. What is 1 plus cos 2x formula? 2 cos square x. So, you have to use the formations first. It is e power x of, make the separation of these two, 2 by 2 cos square x, 2 cancel, 1 by cos square is x square x, plus by the separation of these two, 2 cancel and 1 cos cancel, sin by cos, tan will be left over. Yes. Now, is it in the form directly? Tell me what is fx, what is f dash x? In those two functions, what is fx, what is f dash x? Yes, it is fx. Because f tan x derivative is only secant square x, f dash x. Right. What is answer now? E power x fx means e power x of tan x. See, you can add. Okay. E power x of fx means e power x of tan x. That's it. Very simple. within fraction of seconds you can get, but you have to come to this question. This is also in the same model, but it's not in that formation directly. What you have to do to reduce in that formation? Here e power some x will be there, but here e power 2x is there. We can substitute 2x as, let 2x as some t. Substitution method, 2x is t means what is the 2 into dx derivative, dx is equals to dt. What is dx from this one? 1 by 2 dt. If you change the functions in terms of t substitution, you automatically can change the dx also in terms of dt. You know that process, that is on idea here. Now this question becomes now e power t of 2 into, what is the x here? 2x is t means x is t by 2, that is sine of t by 2, plus cos x means cos of t by 2 into dx. dx is 1 by 2 times of dt. Taken 1 by 2 is outside, constant. Integral of e power t of 2 sine t by 2 plus cos t by 2. Is it clear? Now, tell me, it is clearly e power x form, but in place of x there is variable t and 2 sine t by 2. What is the function fx or f dash x? Which is fx or f dash, which means in terms of t, ft and f dash t. Tell me, which is ft? Yes, this is ft, because 2 sine t by 2 derivative. Sine t by 2 derivative, you know that clearly, cos t by 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore, clearly derivative of 2 sine t by 2 is equal to cos t by 2. So clearly this function is in terms of t, that's why you can write ft. This is equals to, is it? What this is? This is ft, this is f dash t. Okay, now what is according to that formula of e power t of ft, e power t of 2 sine t by 2. Actually got this one, but function in terms of x is there. We can rewrite the, again in place of t. 2 cancel here, right? E power t, what is t? 2x of sine t by 2. T by 2 is x. This is only form of the solution for the given question. E power 3x of sine x. Okay, very simple. So I did today in this session I did various forms of the integrations, very simple tips and tricks I have given. These are most helpful to you for your final examination. Do the practice more number of questions. You can get the easily within fraction of second you can get the solutions. Okay, can you? Yes, very good. So must you have to involve. Involvement is must. I hope so this video is most helpful to you. I'm sure if it is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet another video with a new topic. Till then, take care.